airport was soon finished. It had shining windows, gleaming doors, and a big tall control tower. And the runway was long and smooth. The engines were very proud and very excited. The first airplane was on its way. But there was still one more job to do. Thomas was shunting some freight cars into the yard. He was taking great care, but the track was very bumpy. Suddenly, they started to come off the track. Some of them headed straight for the water tower. The water tower creaked and wobbled. Then it started to tip. The water tower crashed down across the runway. Luckily, no one was hurt. The runway's cracked, cried Percy, and the track is blocked. The airport manager inspected the runway. Unless it can be repaired, the airplane will have to go back, he said. Trust a steamy to mess things up, wailed Diesel. The Diesels were very cross. They had put up with stinky steam engines all day. Now Thomas had ruined everything. The Steamies were cross too. The airplane was getting closer. The workmen started to mend the runway. We will need George the steamroller to finish the job, the foreman cried. But I can't get past these freight cars, moaned Thomas. And George is too far away and too slow to come here by himself. The airport manager called for Harvey to clear the tracks. But Harvey was on the other side of the island. He would never get to the airport on time. Thomas thought it was all his fault. Now I'll never see an airplane, moaned Percy. Thomas suddenly had an idea, and he puffed quickly away. Thomas was sure that Diesel 10 could clear the track. I hope I can get Diesel 10 to help us, puffed Thomas.